Well, hello there, welcome back to my channel. It's an absolutely beautiful September day in the coastal town in Massachusetts that I live at. And in today's video, I'm going to give you a tour of the front yard, the porch, and also the backyard. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start the tour in the front of the house. By the garage, I changed the flag and I put a beautiful fall flag. I love the deep green and orange colors of this flag. A few days ago, I went to Lowe's to look at all the fall plants and I was surprised that all the mums were already discounted. So I went ahead and bought a few mums to plant in the front of the house. The garden flag that is by the walkway is from Hobby Lobby and it was already 40% off. By the lamppost, I usually hang a real plant, but this time I decided to buy this beautiful fall hanging basket at Amazon. It's very realistic and the price is very affordable. On this bed, I bought a few small mums at Lowe's. I picked all the colors that were available at the store. I also added these 3 little mushrooms in ceramic and they're from the Dollar Tree store. For the planters, I bought these bigger container mums at Walmart and they have 3 different colors of mums. I really like how they look. And also I embellished it with a scarecrow from the Dollar Tree store. These mums were on clearance at Walmart for $10. This was a great buy because the same size mums were at Lowe's for $32. Because it's only the first week of September, I'm not fully decorating yet the porch for fall. I just made a wreath to transition from summer to early fall. I made this wreath with eucalyptus branches, hydrangeas, and a beautiful orangey brown flower. And I also added a few pumpkins on the side of the wreath. I bought all these beautiful flowers at Michael's and they were already 50% off. With this decor, I will be able to transition to a full fall decor in a few weeks. So if you have not subscribed yet, please take some time to subscribe today so you will not miss all the beautiful fall decor that I will be posting in a few weeks. And moving on with the tour, I'm going to show you a few changes that I made on the landscape on this flower bed. I trimmed the viburnums because they were getting too big. And also I moved all these lilies and put them all together in this corner. On this side of the bed, I planted additional mums from Walmart. And I added a few perennials. These are sedum. And also I planted the purple home flowers. These perennial plants were 2 for $10 at Lowe's, so it's a great price for these perennials. The fall season is a great time to plant perennials and also shrubs and trees. Now we're going to take a tour of the backyard. On the side of the fence, I have a row of lime hydrangeas, and they have beautiful blooms at this time. On this side of the yard, there is a retaining wall, and in front of the wall, there is additional lime hydrangeas. Because the evenings are already cooling down, we only keep these Adirondack chairs with a fire pit on the patio. The rest of the furniture we already put it inside the basement. On this side of the yard, we had some little lime punch hydrangeas. At the beginning of the bloom, the flowers look white, but as the time goes by, the flower turns a raspberry color. I really like this beautiful color. On this side of the yard, we have a maple tree, and some of the leaves are starting to turn color. Under the stairs, we have a row of lily turfs. This plant is very easy to grow and to take care of. It's already blooming and it has beautiful purple spikes. When we built our house about 2 years ago, we asked the builder to add this door, and this was a very good decision because we can use this door to put all the furniture in without going into the area of the basement that is finished. On this door, I hang a wreath that I made a few years ago. It's decorated with apples and also scarecrows. My friends, this is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy this early fall tour of my front yard and backyard. Thank you so much for watching. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're a new visitor, I hope that you take some time to subscribe and give a big thumbs up to this video. Also, leave your comment to introduce yourself. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. Have a fantastic day.